guys. I have not filmed a video in a really long time. Honestly, I've just been kind of enjoying living my life here, and we've made some friends. I've been busy with work as usual. So I'm gonna try to get some stuff done in between all my classes because tonight we are going to a lake house with two of our new friends. So we've met quite a few people recently. I've been like so much more social than I feel like I've ever been in my entire life. We met a Lithuanian couple, both of them are Lithuanian. We met a couple that lives in Scotland, but the guy is from Lithuania and the girl is from Bulgaria, and they're moving to Lithuania. And I met them through YouTube. And then we've also met an American who's married to a Lithuanian, and we met him from our Lithuanian class. We also met a couple from Russia on YouTube who have lived here for quite a few years, and they're the ones we're going to the lake house with tonight. Oh yeah, I also met Amy, who she also has a YouTube channel about like her experience in Lithuania, but she lives in Kaunas, but she was here in Vilnius, and I randomly ran into her on the street. So we ended up hanging out, and she is from Nigeria. Yeah, so we've met a bunch of people from a bunch of different places. We are leaving like right after I get off work, which I need to go teach my class right now. So I need to like pack and like get ready. I'm like still in my pajamas right now. Alex went and bought toilet paper this morning. Is that not so cute? So that student, I never get out of class with her on time because she's just like talking, and she was like 10 minutes late. And right now it's time for lunch. But that student, I stayed late because her and her family are on vacation right now. And so she was like showing me all these photos from the holiday they're on. And my student showed me she went in a hot air balloon today. And I was like, what? That's so cool. And I was telling her like, my husband wants to do a hot air balloon ride, but like, I'm too scared to do it. And then my student's mom was like, oh yeah, men always like to do those kind of things, but not me. I'm going to have a tomato and mozzarella sandwich for lunch, I think. Actually, we have leftovers. I'm going to eat some leftovers. What is this? We have like so much crap in our fridge right now. It's like out of control. We had a spring mix for my lunches, and then we bought arugula. That's just what I need to eat for lunch is lettuce. So we didn't even have enough Tupperwares to put the lettuce in. Why is it stuck? Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, that was like so difficult to open. This is just tofu, rice, some peppers, like that's all that is. And then I'm gonna have it with some lettuce. So Alex is at like 2 o'clock. Our friends are gonna pick him up, and they're all gonna go to the grocery store together to get like food and drinks. And yeah, then they're gonna pick me up at 4. So Alex started school. If y'all don't know, my husband is going back to school to get his bachelor's degree in business. And so he had his first week of school. He is off working on a group project. And it's really funny because, I mean, my husband is 29, I'm 27, and all of his classmates are like fresh out of high school, 18 years old. Cause like, I'm only 27. Like, I feel like I was in high school, you know, it wasn't that long ago, right? And then you see these 18-year-olds and it's like, oh my gosh, they look so young. Y'all know I always gotta have this Remy, well, it's not even Remy brand, but you buy this at Remy, it's chili garlic sauce. This is basically like my ranch replacement. That's something I wanna know. Why has ranch not become a thing in Europe? Because I feel like y'all would like it here. I mean, it's like a cream-based sauce. Everything has like sour cream or like mayonnaise here. Anyways, I'm gonna eat this now. That's my little salad. Okay, we made it to the house. We're staying in this room because there's only one big bed. So we're staying on these bunk beds. But look, isn't this cute? There's a sauna and a hot tub. There's a dog. Oh. Should have filmed you trying to figure out how to work that.
Okay, so this was like the hardest thing to figure out, even though it's probably pretty basic to like any Lithuanian.
No, look at that. That's so confusing. What are you making?
I'm making pineapple bacon jam.
Hey. Hi. Hi. I want to like go up here and show this little loft, but I can't climb up that ladder. There's
Elise, has a problem with ladders if you don't know.
Yeah, I really do. I cannot do ladders, dude. Ladders are like scary.
Yeah.
Make sure to leave your phone so no one calls you home. Make sure to pack your clothes now.
I'm making eggs Benedict.
So this is painkiller, codeine, and caffeine. This is not legal in the US. It's supposed to be for like hangover. I'm just drinking a coffee.
Lock up, hit the lights, let's go. Don't look back, they're gonna attack. They think we're mean people. Don't worry.
Hi.
How are you?
Hungover.
Doesn't matter where we are, cold or warm, so far we're good. Doesn't matter where we go, our plans are unfolding like they should. Doesn't mean anything what they say, let it go.
This is raspberry stew. Okay, we can. Wow, that's a good one.
Those are so good, Alex. Eat one. It's tasty. Did you get it? Taste test. It's good, right? You should eat one. They're really, really good.
It's yellow raspberry. You can try it.
Wow, I thought they are
Doesn't stop the angry crowd from chasing us all the way down. Don't look back, they're gonna attack. They think we're mean people. Don't worry about what they said to your face. Just get up and run out of this place.
Fly away to yesterday. Pack your bags, let's run away. Fly away to yesterday. Pack your bags, let's run away.
Doesn't matter where